My name is Sarafraj. I completed my BTech from Alia University in mechanical stream, and after completing my BTech, I start learning coding. And first I start learning by myself. Then on internet I find a Bootcamp 10x Academy. On there I take before 10x Academy, especially when I start learning coding by myself, meaning okay, I know start, but I need some guidance. I cannot I have some skill, I can grab new things so fast, but I don't know, I cannot guide myself which road should I do, what should I learn first. So that is the most reason for I needed 10x Academy. Then I joined on there, and it's literally helped me so much, almost you can say whatever I did myself, but I get the guide, what guide I needed, and it's completely what I expected that thing happened. On 10x Academy, I was searching through internet, and on there I also applied 2-3 bootcamp, and I also selected on other bootcamp. But when I get selected on other bootcamp also, but I also selected on 10x bootcamp also. But on the pre-bootcamp, especially pre-bootcamp, there is one mentor was there, I forget his name, and his talk, whatever he said, that's completely hit me. So especially that's the reason I choose that 10x Academy. While admission process, on admission process, I was little bit of nervous. At that time, I was new in this field also, that I say agreement also, but I talked to with lots of 10x people, and they also helped me to understand how this thing is happen, how everything will be happen, how study will be happen, and I just did join, and I get more confidence with their talking and everything, and I joined. On one-on-one mentor session, that is the most helpful in here. Especially when it's come to my communication skill, it literally now it's little normal, but it used to so bad. That one-on-one session or those mentoring session, those things help me, and their reviews. Maximum time they always give me review after how to communication and how to introduce everything. Those things I was not that good on. Still I'm not that good in medium, but it was so much worse, that thing also. And also some time to time I solved some problem, but it take little time also. They said, okay, you should do this thing little faster, you should do that thing. Those guidance help me to go through the future interview and everything. One best part of the main bootcamp, I can say on the especially practice session, class and practice all are everything is going parallelly, and it's not okay, we are going learning to learning, everything learning and learning. We are not doing practicing, whatever we are learning, exactly moment we are practicing. So it's completely coming to in our head, so it will never get removed such a way. That is the best thing. It's not a single day best thing, it's continue whole 6 months was the best. This experience with learning, while learning at parallelly also practicing those things. On mock interview, it's literally helpful, so much helpful, because when I never give any interview in my past life. So when I got in the mock interview, it's give me the vibe of the real interview, how interview should be in future. So it's my first preparation for next interview. So that is really good experience, all the mock interview for me. In a one word, I can say overall experience was pretty good, and learning experience, and also those DSA and those web tech, everything, and especially those GD session, one-on-one mentoring session. Also in Slack, I got lots of help whenever I got stuck in any kind of problem, small problem, I'm not understanding, but there was no mentor one-on-one session. That time I asked on Slack, and I got my answer correctly. That was pretty good, nice.